Minister Nongthongpam Birren says government is relentlessly carrying out search to locate missing VDF personnel Ningombam Premananda. $932 grams of heroin seized by Kakching police at Langmaidong Police Outpost Gate. 2 persons arrested. NPF announces first list of candidates for Nagaland polls. If voted to power, the party will press for solution to vex Naga political issue and is ready for post-poll alliance. And Sri Krishna temple at Bamun Lekai found defiled by miscreants. Police registers FIR and investigation is in progress. Good evening, you're watching IS English News and I'm LAITHANGBAM MONIKA with you. Before we begin, IS News would like to remind our viewers to practice physical distancing, hand hygiene, wear mask and protect yourself and also get vaccinated to ward off the virus. Now the news in detail. Chief Minister Nongthongpam Birren stated that the state government is relentlessly carrying out search to locate the missing VDF personnel Ningombam Premananda. He went missing during the poppy destruction drive at Paisi village in Chandel district along the Indo-Myanmar border on the intervening night of January 20 and 21. The Chief Minister was responding to a calling attention motion raised by Kangabok MLA Okram Surjakumar on the reported missing of a VDF man during anti-poppy drive. Drawing attention of the House, MLA Surjakumar highlighted the distress and apprehension of the family members of the VDF, Ningombam Premananda, aged 37 years, son of Dina of Thobal Okram. He added that Premananda is missing for 13 days, counting today. His suspected missing of Premananda was a ploy to weaken the government's war on drugs campaign. He further alleged that the search for the missing VDF man was sluggish. The MLA, on the other hand, also asked the Chief Minister if there is an exact action plan of the state government regarding the war on drugs campaign and effectiveness of the medium used to identify the poppy plantation areas such as remote sensing, satellite mapping and drones. He mounted pressure on the government to not only take stringent actions against the poppy cultivators, but to find out the investors and the real kingpin behind the illegal activity. Meanwhile, Leader of the House, Chief Minister Nongthongpam Birren, told the House that top police officials and Assam Rifles troops have been carrying out massive search to find the whereabouts of the missing VDF personnel ever since the day he was reported missing. The Chief Minister also said was also skeptic about the way in which Premananda has gone missing. Chief Minister stated that suspected that it was a ploy to upset the war on drugs. He also assured to submit a white paper on the total number of land acres used for illegal poppy plantation, which had been destroyed. He further maintained that the NIA and NCB teams are making efforts to nab all the real kingpins. The Chief Minister also thanked the people for their unwavering support to the government's war on drugs campaign and further sought their continuous support, assistance and cooperation in eradicating poppy plantation and rooting out drug menace in the state.
battalion Aurora Assam Rifle battalion 13 Assam Rifle is the more Madu Habo Mutire. Kingpins Shingna Madugi demoralized on the Libra. Natragana Kari Kramaito Buno Shakwe Makal Makat or we, Yadunaki, Tiba, Sigi coordinate of the Koi, Myanmar authority, Pauno Viaba, NIA, Team Yauri, NCB Team Yauri, honorable member of Kambi. Toina, Warren Druxy arrive Shunate, Kogina Hawaii, Koina Taram, Manima, the Mama, the Cambodia, the Colombia, the Thailand, the Kamnari, Hanari. Ujiki Mangri Misi, Adukumaching never just 21st, ordered by to the Director General of Police. Whereas a report has been received from SP Sandel that one BDF number Lingoma Pramana Singh of Thobal district, who has been detailed for duty in connection with poverty destruction campaign in Sandel, they said it is found missing since 21st. Then it is hereby ordered that Shri Amarjit Singh, Lamabam MPS Additional SP Sandel will conduct an inquiry regarding the missing of the BDF personnel and submit report at earliest. Masi koi 21st official wena inquiry ma tawna na bi tawre koi NIA gi NCD gi kari gi mayam pau pijaraga kan honari.
Time-bound promotions are vacancy with linkage to the vacancy though. So medical health services rules the grade grade kaba kanjida higher grade kaba kanjida mahak sahi ahum dagina manga depending upon the qualification mahaki adugi criteria Malaysia. Special grade, grade 1, grade 2 zidi yamna limited numbers always. Yamna limited number ni. Duga ayambana administrative posts hoye sa sige grades. Kari gumba akoy na vacancy later na pi bataraga disa akoy da kuwan na administrative crisis lakpagi mo da lakpagi. 62 to unemployed young unemployed doctors khandabiya desa. Ma'am the hosi we have around 1,000 so listing almost unemployed doctors and na doctors sida na sige August house ke choose appeal to joining with the strike to guduki wakhandu hantok piu manam the doctors na strike to ba haibzi amarom the higher gadi yamna nungaita ba Manipur da kundamine ba mioi kuding mat the effect of podamani and mayam the appeal to joining the strike to.
As part of War on Drugs 2.0, a combined team of Kaching police today detected and seized 932 grams of heroin. The said seizure was done while conducting random frisking and checking at Lamaidong Police Outpost gate. The drugs were seized from one passenger travelling in a bus coming from Suknu side, according to a police report. The detection and seizure was effected by a combined team led by Subedar S. Birla Singh, OC CDO Unit Kaching, and assisted by HCK's Syam Sundar Singh under the supervision of Binoy Chongtham MPS, additional SP Kaching under the overall supervision of Srevad's IPS, Superintendent of Police Kaching. During the checking of the passengers and their belongings, one blue bag was noticed. The owner of the bag was identified as one Lamjaneng Kongsai, aged 38 years, daughter of Led Khatlim of Suknu Tribal, Kaching District. She resisted opening of the bag, which raised suspicion. With the help of one woman co-passenger, the bag was opened and the belongings of the bag owner was searched. On searched, 70 soap cases containing suspected heroin was found. The woman was arrested. During interrogation, it came to light that the drugs were supposed to be delivered to a person near Kaching Auto Parking, and she shared the phone number of that person. Subsequently, two teams of CDO Kaching led by Havildar N. Chauba and HCKH Umakanta rushed to the area and conducted cordon and search operation. One suspected person identified as Muhammad Anzar, aged 32 years, son of Muhammad Abdul Kalam of Sora Maninglekai, was detained. The person disclosed that he was supposed to receive the consignment from the above-mentioned arrested woman and had received another consignment of 25 soap cases from the same woman in the month of January 2023. Subsequently, the said person was also arrested from the spot at around 11:05 in the morning. The arrested, along with the seized articles, were handed over to Waikong Police Station for taking up further necessary legal action against them. The Naga People's Front NPF announced the first list of candidates for 16 constituencies on February 3. Further, as per sources, the second list is to be out on February 5. The Naga People's Front NPF said if voted to power, the party will press for a solution to vex Naga political issue and is ready for a post-poll alliance. NPF is ready to form or be a part of the government with any political party in the state because post-election, the demand for Naga political solution will be the pressing need, the sources said. The NPF Central Executive Council CEC, the highest decision-making body of the party, has decided that NPF will open for a post-poll alliance with all the political party, including NDPP and BJP, to form the next government. Naga People's Front Secretary General Achumbemo Kikon on January 30, 2023 confirmed that NPF, being a political party, will be compelled to set up candidates in the eastern Nagaland area. Miscreants reportedly defiled Sri Krishna Temple at Brahmapur Nahabam Guru Aribam Laikai, Bamon Laikai in Imphal East. Imphal East SP Pradeep, Manipur Legislative Assembly Speaker Thokchom Satyabrata and Manipur State BJP Yuva Morcha President Manohar Mayum Barish visited the temple to take stock of the situation. The main door of the temple was found broken and clothes of Lord Krishna were cluttered. The police registered an FIR over the incident and investigation is in progress. Sri Krishna Temple Board President Guru Aribam Ravi Chandra condemned the incident and demanded stringent action against the culprits. Sri Krishna Temple at Brahmapur Nahabam Guru Aribam Laikai was built during the reign of Maharaj Charai Rongba. This dome-shaped monument and its adjoining site are protected as historical monument under Manipur Ancient and Historical Monuments and Archaeological Sites and Remains Act 1976.
When Lai Singi, Kanuchi Tungsi, and Gutule, Musikumai to be Madrid, Matamuri, and Kwesi Mahadi, Kanosi into the me, and they want to police the complaint of the telephone. Sai Malaga, Wana, the Notorga, Samuel Kolaga, Manunda, Lai Mutisi into the motor, and they give you Loy Chakai, Nakati, Loina, Notum, Tamame. I don't know, say Yamaba, Sumo. Mandiga, Masibu Taja, Shum, Taja, Miami, cooking the Yam Nuaito pound, but Nuaito Layaki in the Masi, Yam the Live
Manipur Forest Environment and Climate Change Minister T.H. Biswajit Singh said that the state government has identified 168 wetlands for conservation and steps for the same have been taken up. T.H. Biswajit was speaking at the World Wetlands Day observation held at Sendra, a part of the Loktak Lake, the largest freshwater lake in the Northeast India, in Moirangshab division of Bishnupur district on Thursday. Stating that the state government has been trying to save and conserve wetlands, Biswajit said that proposals have been sent to the Union Environment Ministry and for the first phase for wetlands will be developed. Citing the importance of wetlands, he appealed to people to resolve the conservation of wetlands, which play important roles in balancing our environment. Thereby, many living beings, including human beings, are able to survive in the state. Other officials also spoke on the importance of the conservation of wetlands, particularly the Loktak Lake and the associated wetlands. They also urged people to cooperate in the process of a complete rejuvenation of the lake and other wetlands in the state. Modi Battalion Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South organized an awareness lecture on drug abuse as part of the Nasha Mukt Bharat Abhiyan NMBA for the children of Machi High School Subdivision, Machi, Tengnopal District yesterday. The lecture was conducted to spread awareness against the drug abuse and prevention of use of drugs. A total of 25 students and teachers participated in the event. During the event, the students were also briefed about the higher education, career opportunities and the type of entries to join Indian Armed Forces, Assam Rifles. It's time for a short commercial break. Keep watching IS News.
Go Aviator Academy, a complete platform for aviation aspirants. inspired by experienced professionals. Come and join with us, a course designed for cabin crew and ground staff to help turn your dreams into reality.
Welcome back. Altogether, 259 candidates remained in the fray for the Tripura Assembly elections after 19 nomination papers were rejected and 32 contestants withdrew their candidacy. The voting of the 60-member assembly will be held on February 16 and counting will take place on March 2. A total of 297 candidates contested in the 2018 assembly polls. The ruling BJP has fielded 55 contestants, while its ally, Indigenous Peoples Front of Tripura IPFT, has put up nominees in 6 constituencies. Chief Electoral Officer Gite Kiran Kumar Dinakarao said in the MP Nagar Assembly constituency of Gomati district, the IPFT will fight a friendly battle with its ally BJP. The CEO of the said the CPIM will contest in 43 seats alone, while other left front constituents, the Forward Bloc, RSP and the CPI will be contesting in 1 constituency each. The left front is supporting an independent candidate in the Ramnagar constituency of West Tripura. The Congress, which is contesting the election in alliance with the left front, has nominees in 13 seats. The Tripa Motha, floated by royal families Kyon, Prayot Kishore Manikya Debarba, has fielded candidates in 42 seats. The Trinamool Congress put up candidates in 28 seats, while 58 independent candidates are also in the electoral battle. Prime Minister Narendra Modi participated in the Krishna Guru Eknam Akhanda Kirtan for World Peace at Barpeta in Assam today through video conferencing. The Prime Minister also addressed the devotees of Krishna Guru Sevashram. Param Guru Krishna Guru Ishwar established the Krishna Guru Sevashram in 1974. He is the 9th descendant of Mahavaishnav Manohar Deva, who was a follower of the great Vaishnavite saint Srimant Sankar Deva. Now the sports news. Technopal Battalion of Assam Rifles under the aegis of Headquarter IGAR South organized a friendly football match with Technopal Youth Club yesterday in Technopal district. The match aimed at promoting Nasam Mukt Bharat Abhiyan in a bid to raise awareness against drugs through inclining the youth towards sports and other recreative outlets. Additionally, the event helped towards building good relations amongst the Assam Rifle troops and the locals. 80 locals, including villagers and children, attended the event. On the culmination, prize distribution along with refreshments were also provided. In football, India will take on Bhutan in their opening match of the SAFF Under-20 Women's Championship in Dhaka today. Host Bangladesh and Nepal on the other teams in the tournament. All the matches will be played at the Bir Shrestha Sahid Sipahi Mustafa Kamal Stadium, Dhaka. After a 4-team round robin, the top 2 teams will play the final on the 9th of February. India takes on Bangladesh on February 5th and Nepal on February 7th. Joginder Sharma, a member of India's 2007 T20 World Cup winning squad, announced his retirement from all forms of cricket on Friday. The right-arm pacer took to Twitter and Instagram to make his decision public. He quote, "Today, with immense gratitude and humility, I announce my retirement from all forms of the international and domestic cricket. My journey from 2002 to 2017 has been the most wonderful years of my life honor representing India level of sports," he wrote in a letter addressed to BCCI Secretary J. Shah Sarma, who will forever be remembered for bowling the last over of the inaugural T20 World Cup final against Pakistan. Despite conceding a six, he came back to dismiss Misab-ul-Haq and took India to victory. That the Dane captain MS Dhoni trusted him to bowl the last over, who had made his T20 debut a few days ago in a must-win match against England, despite having an over of experienced Harbhajan Singh in his sleeves, spoke volumes of trust he had in Sharma. The pacer represented India in 4 ODIs and 4 T20s. However, he never played for India after the T20 World Cup final. The headlines once again. Chief Minister Nongthoma Biren says government is relentlessly carrying out search to locate missing VDF personnel. Ningombam Premananda. $932 grams of heroin seized by Kakching police at Langmaidong Police Outpost Gate. 2 persons arrested. NPF announces first list of candidates for Nagaland polls. If voted to power, the party will press for solution to vex Naga political issue and is ready for post-poll alliance. And Sri Krishna temple at Bamon Lekai found defiled by miscreants. Police registers FIR and investigation in progress. That's all we have for the time being. Keep watching IS News.